Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Students, take out your Junior English book page number 15, and today our topic is adjectives formation. So first of all, let's see what are adjectives. So this is the definition of adjective. A word which describes a noun is called an adjective. Students, look at this example, and he wore a pretty silk dress. Students, here in this example, the pretty and silk tell something about Anne's dress. Because they describe the noun dress, they are called adjectives. Sam ate 3 ice cream. This is the second example. Here you can see the number 3. Numbers are adjectives too. Okay, Sam ate 3 ice creams. The numbers are adjectives too. 3 tells us more about the noun ice cream. Students, now let's see how adjectives formation. Many adjectives are formed by adding the letter Y to a noun. Okay, by just adding the letter Y to a noun. Look at the examples. Greed, this is a noun, and when greedy. Rust, rusty, just add Y in the end. Okay, greed, greedy. Rust, rusty. Health, healthy. Okay students, in these examples Y can be added to the noun without any change in spelling. But look out for the following changes. If the noun ends with E, this letter is dropped before the Y is added. So born, we will drop the E and then add Y in the end. B-O-N-E, born. Now we will drop the E. If the last letter is E, we will drop it. Okay, so here you can see we drop the letter E and just add Y, pony. Noise, noisy. Haste, hasty. Students, here are some examples. You can see fur, furry. The last letter is doubled. Okay, so when Y is added to some nouns, the last letter is doubled. M-U-D, mud. M-U-D-D-Y, muddy. S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-I-N-N-Y, skinny. Students, now open Junior English book page number 15 and part A. Form adjectives from the nouns in bold type. No change. Number 1. A person with a great thirst is thirsty. Just add Y in the end. Number 2. A child who is longing to sleep is sleep. We will add Y, sleepy. Number 3. Fingers stained with ink are inky. Ink, we will add Y and it will become inky. Number 4. A sky with a lot of clouds is cloudy. In the end of D, we will add Y. Number 5. A loaf with a crisp crust is dash. In the end of crust, we will add Y. It will become crusty. Number 6. A sea with a storm raging is dash. Storm, stormy. Just add Y. storm, stormy. Okay students, now look at part B. Form adjectives from the nouns in bold type. Drop the E. Here we will drop the last letter. If the last letter is E, we will drop it and add Y. Number 1. Water which is as cold as ice is icy. So here you can see we will drop the letter E and add a Y. Ice, icy. Number 2. Cheeks like a rose are rosy. Here again we will drop the letter E and add Y. Rosy. Juice, juicy. Again we will drop the letter E and add just Y. A tree which provides shade is shady. Again the last letter is E, so we will drop it. A chimney which pours out smoke is smoky. Again the last letter is E. Here we will again drop the letter E and here again we will drop the letter E. Grease, greasy. Greasy. Hands covered with grease are greasy. Okay, now look at part C. Form adjectives from the nouns in bold type. Double the last letter. As I explained you that a road covered with mud is muddy. We will double the last letter. Here the last letter is D, so we will double D, write the double D and then Y. Here the last letter is N, so we will make N double and it will become sunny, sun, sunny. Foods which contain a lot of fat are fatty, double T. Y. A day when there is a lot of fog is foggy. FOGGY. Trousers which are as loose as a bag are baggy. The last letter is G, so we will double it. It will become baggy. BAGGY. A story which causes fun is funny. The last letter is here N, so we will double the last letter. FUNNY. Students, complete this book page number 15 and also run it. Take care.